No Makeup Makeup. Look how pretty this side is compared to this side. It looks like my skin, it's blurring, and I barely use any product at all. This is the No Makeup Makeup, a cream kind of balmy texture. What's nice about it, you really just need to swipe your brush once and look how much coverage you get. That is amazing. I'm gonna just quickly do the rest of my face here. It's a 4-in-1 product, color correcting foundation and concealer. This is so natural, dewy, and blurring, and the color match is crazy. It has 13 different shades. Because it has flex shade technology, it actually adjusts to my undertone, and that is why it is the absolute perfect skin tone for me. And it is buildable, so if you have little marks that you need a little extra, that's not a problem at all. This, flawless.